You may provide the domain name like mytestapp.testmydomain.com and like myproductionapp.prod.mydomain.com. So these are the different domain, and those user confined to this domain may work at a time on this domain, other user will do work in this domain. So by parting into the domain, user may be able to be, or sorry, your network will be secure. That is all. I already told that here is the VM monitors or hypervisor. So your model cannot be divided logically in network zones. Network level mitigation. Network mitigation tells that what you know about the security at the network level. First, the primary determination of risk level is therefore not which AS is being used, but rather whether your organization intended to use or is using a public, private or hybrid. Although same IS cloud offer virtual network zoning, they may not match an internal private cloud environment that perform stateful inspection and other network security measures. The first thing is that it doesn't matter that whether you are using the IE infrastructure as a service, platform as a service or software as a service. The matter is that whether your organization is using public, hybrid or private cloud. As I already told you in previous slide that private cloud is much more secure, and public cloud, whatever it is used, it is not secured as the private cloud. So first thing is that you mainly use private cloud if possible, or if you are using very sensitive data, in that case you must use the private cloud. If your organization is large enough to afford the resources of the private cloud, your risk will decrease, assuming you have a true private cloud that is internal to your network. In some cases, a private cloud located at a cloud provider's facility can help meet your security requirement, but will depend on the private. Same thing I already told you that inside cloud is better, after that private cloud is better. You can reduce your confidentiality risk by using encryption, means you must use the encryption, specifically by using validating implementations of cryptography for data in transit. Data in transit must be encrypted. Secure digital signature make it much more difficult. If you are using the secure digital signature, then it will be more difficult to crack. If not possible for someone to tamper with your data, and this ensures the data integrity, means you must use the encryption and digital signature. So what are the control that you can perform for the network's level security is the preventive control. Preventive control is that network access control is supplied by the provider, like firewall, encryption of data in transit. Preventive means it is preventing from happening some attack. So preventing is the facility which is provided by the cloud provider. The first example of the preventing measure is the firewall. If your cloud vendor is providing the firewall, then in that case there is a less chances of network level breach, and if it is also providing the encryption in data transit, it is very good. Second thing is the detective control. Every time it is not possible to provide all the preventive measures, so your cloud provider must have some detective tools that can be used. Provider managed aggregation of security event logs, means he must maintain some security event logs. event log incident and event management or SIM, network based intrusion detection system or intrusion prevention system. IDS and IPS may be installed. IPS and IDS is the intrusion detection system and intrusion prevention system, so that must be installed at the level of cloud provider. So these tools will help the cloud provider to detect if any attack already been happened. So today that's it. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.